Hey everyone, welcome back to Runway Revealed. We're switching gears and diving into something new, landing challenges in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Now, before we jump into the cockpit, let's talk about how landing challenges are graded, because things have changed between MSFS 2020 and MSFS 2024. Back in 2020, the scoring system was pretty clear. Your performance was rated A, B, or C based on the points you earned. If you scored over 1 million points, you were guaranteed an A. Pretty straightforward. But in 2024, that whole letter system is gone. All you get now is your raw score. No A, B, or C, and very little feedback on why you got that score. There's not much detail on landing precision, ground roll, or smoothness like before. So here's how we'll handle it on this channel. We're keeping the old system alive. Anything over 1 million points counts as an A. That's going to be our benchmark, and that's the goal we'll aim for in every challenge. All right, let's get started. We'll head over to Activities, then Landing Challenges. From there, we'll select the Precision Landing category. That's the first one on the list. I'll be honest with you, flying helicopters in MSFS has always been a challenge for me. They feel totally different compared to airplanes, more sensitive, more unstable, and definitely less forgiving. That's why, before jumping into these landing challenges, I went back to the helicopter training sessions in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. And I highly recommend you do the same if you're new to rotorcraft flying in the sim. Trust me, each attempt gets smoother, and before you know it, your helicopter control slowly starts to make sense. And speaking of better control, the Thrustmaster TCA Sidestick Airbus Edition made a huge difference for me. Compared to the Xbox controller, it gives way more precision and smoother input control, especially for delicate hover adjustments. I'll leave the Amazon link in the description if you want to check it out. All right, after conquering our first helicopter landing, it's time to dive into the 7th landing challenge from the Precision Landings category in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024. Today, we're heading to Isla Holbox, a beautiful yet notoriously tricky island off the coast of Mexico. Now, Isla Holbox might look like paradise from above, turquoise waters, sandy stretches, and a calm island vibe, but don't let that fool you. The landing zone here is tight, exposed to crosswinds, and surrounded by unforgiving terrain with almost no margin for error. And to make things even more interesting, we're flying the Guimbal Cabri G2, a lightweight training helicopter known for being responsive, sensitive to wind, and absolutely unforgiving if you're not gentle on the controls. Perfect for a challenge, right? All right, enough talk. Let's jump into the cockpit for that full, immersive helicopter experience. Collective set, pedals ready, and eyes on the landing zone. Here we go. Wind is pushing us off center. Tiny corrections. Keep it stable. That landing zone looks way smaller than it did from the world map. Easy on the collective. Don't drop it. Hold, and touchdown. Smooth, controlled, and right on target. Congratulations, activity success. Boom, there it is, 1,335,218 points. Another solid A rank in our pocket. The helicopter precision journey has officially begun. If you're enjoying these helicopter landings and want to see how far we can push these challenges, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Runway Revealed, and ring that bell so you don't miss the next mission. Helicopter adventures, consider them officially launched. See you in the next landing challenge.